Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Autel MXi-TPMS TS508. To begin, power on your device by pressing the power button. Once it boots up, navigate the main menu using the directional arrows. Select the TPMS option, then choose your vehicle's specific make, model, and year from the comprehensive database. This crucial first step ensures accurate communication with your vehicle's tire pressure monitoring system, setting you up for successful sensor management and diagnostics right from the start. Next, let's activate and relearn your TPMS sensors. For new sensors, select Activate Sensor and follow the on-screen prompts, holding the tool near each tire. If you're replacing sensors or rotating tires, you'll need to perform a relearn procedure. Choose Relearn from the menu and follow the vehicle-specific instructions, which might involve driving or a stationary process. This ensures your vehicle's computer correctly recognizes all 4 tire pressure sensors, providing accurate readings and preventing dashboard warning lights. Now, let's explore the diagnostic capabilities and review live data. Select Diagnose to read and clear any TPMS diagnostic trouble codes, helping you pinpoint issues quickly. You can also view real-time sensor data, including individual tire pressures, temperatures, and sensor battery status. This detailed information allows you to assess the health of each of your 4 tire pressure sensors, identify potential problems like slow leaks, and ensure optimal tire performance and safety on the road. Finally, let's cover advanced features and essential maintenance. The TS508 allows you to program universal TPMS sensors, offering a cost-effective solution for replacements. Regularly update your device's software via the Autel website to ensure compatibility with the newest vehicle models and sensor types. Remember to keep the internal lithium-ion battery charged and store the tool in its protective case. Proper care ensures your MaxiTPMS TS508 remains a reliable and indispensable tool for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.